Scratch and Sniff. The new Laut Tutti Frutti Case are the world's first friction-activated scented case for iPhone XS, XS Max and XR. You can also fit this in your iPhone X. In this video, we will unbox the case and give a review about the world's first scented case, so please watch the full video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update of our latest videos. Laut Tutti Frutti cases are available in 4 flavors: cherry, lemon, banana and watermelon. Let's keep the boxes aside and let's first check the details. This is the box of the Tutti Frutti case. On top left corner you get the Laut branding. At the center is mentioned the Tutti Frutti series. Right top corner shows that it's for the iPhone XS. This case also supports wireless charging. You have a circular opening over here so you can scratch and smell the flavor of the case. You get a 2-year warranty from the company on these Laut cases. The case is made up of fox leather and polycarbonate plastic, which provides safety against drops, and soft corner prevents your phone from being scratched. Laut is a brand that was founded in Germany in 2012. This case is made in China. You can order this case from itslaut.com. The link is mentioned in the description below. So now let's unbox the case. This is the cherry flavored case. We will unbox other cases as well later. The packaging is pretty good. You get the cherry print inside. Let's keep it aside. So this is the case for iPhone XS. The quality of the case feels premium. There is a white card inside the case which mentions that this case offers 2 years of warranty. Let's remove it. So finally, this is the cherry case. The quality of the case is pretty solid. The edges are given a soft finish so it won't scratch your iPhone. It's made of soft thermoplastic polyurethane, fox leather and polycarbonate plastic, which makes this case very durable, lightweight and won't get damaged easily and will protect your phone if it falls. So now let's insert our iPhone XS in the cover. The cover easily snaps onto your iPhone. The case looks slim. It's not that ultra slim, but still you won't feel the extra thickness or extra weight on your iPhone. The difference is negligible. You can also get other flavors as well from itslaut.com, which are watermelon, banana and lemon. My personal favorite is the lemon flavor. It smells amazing. Laut Tutti Frutti case also supports wireless charging. You can use any QI wireless charger. We are using Samsung wireless charging and iPhone XS charges with the case snapped on without any issue. These cases are really an innovative masterpiece, and utilizing a unique and proprietary manufacturing process. The Tutti Frutti cases release the fruity scent only by rubbing on fruit icons on the back of the case, so you won't get the Tutti Frutti smell while you're talking on your phone. To get the smell of your favorite fruit, just scratch the fruit icons on the back and get the smell of your favorite fruit anywhere you want. So this was a review of the world's first friction-activated scented iPhone case, Laut Tutti Frutti case. You can buy the Laut Tutti Frutti case from the link mentioned in the description below. If you liked my video, don't forget to press the like button, do share the video and subscribe for more gadget and automobile related videos.